Hi Toby, I hope you are doing well. I came your landing page by Google Ads and I analyzed your landing page and want to start by saying this. Your overall structure, your position, your copy are already incredibly solid and strong. The foundation is fantastic. However, as a landing page conversion specialist, while reviewing the layout, I noticed a few small friction points that might silently lowering your conversion rate. To fix this, I put together a quick redesign that removes this bottleneck without changing the winning copy you already have. Let's take a look at the original page first to see where the traffic is losing momentum. Right here in the hero section, your two CTA button share equal design priority. This creates a split focus of the users. A prospect might land with the intent to book an audit, but when they see the checklist right next to it, they hesitate. When we give traffic too many equal choices, it creates decision fatigue and we can lose an otherwise hot lead. In the new design, we fix this by giving the free audit clear priority as a primary action. If a visitor isn't ready for a call, they naturally look right below to find the checklist as a polite fallback. This instantly removes choice friction and guides them down a single clear path. Next, I noticed some of the text heavy section were a bit dense for a quick scale. We keep your exact word, but I updated the layout to highly visual using clean spacing and structured block. This vastly improved readability so busy restaurant owners can digest your core modules in a second. The second big area of opportunity was the mobile view. Your mobile content is incredibly strong, but because the page layout naturally requires a long scroll, a user who gets motivated halfway down has to scroll all the way back up or down to find a button. To solve this, we introduced a clean, non-intrusive mobile sticky footer bar. As they read through your wins, the buttons stay right at their fingertips, constantly triggering that intent to convert the momentum they feel ready. Finally, I took a look at your free checklist resource. The framework you wrote here is absolutely gold. However, the document design didn't quite match your premium authority of your brand. I gave it a custom visual leaf to seamlessly match the new landing page vibes. Now, when a lead download it, it experience feel a beautiful, cohesive, a boosting professionalism and building deeper trust to you. I have attached the secure view-only preview links right below this video so you can test out this clean mail flow on both your desktop and phone. Take a look, let me know if this refinement feel aligned with your goals, and once you give the green light, I can handle all the technical implementation to get this live for you, or or I can hand over all the setup and resources and source code to you.